Hello. Hello, everyone. We've been learning about division for the past few weeks, but today we're going to learn about multiplication and division together. But before we get into that, I'd like to do a little reminder of when we studied about number families of addition and subtraction. This was a long time ago. And so if you remember, each family has three members in it. Three numbers, and they like to do four activities together, and it's always two additions and two subtractions. So here we have a family of numbers, and here we're going to put the four activities they do together. Again, the two additions and the two subtractions. So first we can do two additions using these three numbers. 2 plus 7 equals 9, and 7 plus 2 equals 9. And the two subtractions we can do are 9 minus 2 equals 7, and 9 minus 7 equals 2. So again, these are the four activities that these three numbers can do together. And something to note, the biggest number is kind of important because it's always going to be the last number in the additions, because in an addition question, the biggest number has to be at the end. And in the subtractions, it's always going to be the first number, because in a subtraction question, the first number is the most important. Now, let's move on to number families of multiplication and division, and it's very, very similar. There's still three members of the family, which means three numbers, and four activities they like to do together. And it's always two multiplications and two divisions. So here is a house of multiplication and division. We have the spot for the three numbers, two multiplications, and two divisions. So, for example, let's use 2, 3, and 6 as our family of numbers. We can do 2 times 3 equals 6, and 3 times 2 equals 6. We can also do 6 divided by 2 equals 3, and 6 divided by 3 equals 2. And just like in the number families with addition and subtraction, the biggest number is still important in these families, because in the multiplications, it's always going to be the last number, and in the divisions, it's always going to be the first number. So, something that you can use to help you is you can start with the biggest number. So, let's use 6, 2, and 12 as our example. 12 is obviously the biggest number, so we can start by filling in the last two numbers of the multiplication and the first two numbers of the division, and then for the remaining spots, 2, 6, and then 6, 2. 6, 2, and then 2, 6. And now I kind of want to explain why this works. So we're going to use our 2, 3, 6 house as our example, and I will be using 6 smiley faces. So 2 times 3 equals 6 here. We have two groups, and in each group there's 3 smiley faces, so there are 6 smiley faces in total. For 3 times 2 equals 6, we have our 6 smiley faces. We have 3 groups, and in each group there's 2 smiley faces, and there are 6 smiley faces in total. For 6 divided by 2 equals 3, we have our 6 smiley faces. We're going to divide them into 2 groups, and then we can put 3 smiley faces in each group. Also, we can do 6 smiley faces divided by 3 equals 2, so we have our 6 smiley faces, and we'll divide them into 3 groups, and then 2 smiley faces fit in each group. Now, does this work with any three numbers? And the answer is no. For example, 3, 2, and 15. This is not a family of multiplication division because we can't make a division or multiplication out of these numbers. 3 times 2 does not equal 15. 15 divided by 2 does not equal 3. So I will only ever give you three numbers that work together as a family of multiplication and division. And can a family have the same number twice? The answer to that is yes. So I'm going to use 3, 3, and 9 as an example. We can do 3 times 3 equals 9, and 3 times 3 equals 9, and then 9 divided by 3 equals 3, and 9 divided by 3 equals 3. Now, these two multiplications look, and I guess are, the exact same, and these divisions look the exact same, but what is technically happening is that, see, if we highlight the colors, we have this orange 3, and it switches spots in the multiplication, and then in the division it switches spots as well. Same with thing with the green 3. It switches spots in the multiplication, and it switches spots in the division. And congratulations, you finished the lesson for today.